All right, Uncle Dave fans, we made it home from Gloucester, Massachusetts, and I'm going to bring part 2 of the trip to you right now. It's the giant tuna fishing, and I don't have a lot to say about it except let's go fishing. All right, Uncle Dave fan, here's 2 happy anglers with a sneak peek of what's in this video. All right, we was out there during the harvest moon. It's a full moon, and the tides were really moving a lot. But hey, let's go fishing.
Boats up here in the bay. Where is everybody? I think a lot of people are scared with the prices. Yeah. Yeah, it could be. Gonna be some boats. We might be fighting a bit.
Original windmill boat.
Song or everything too. He's like, where are you? That should be right outside you there, Sandra. Fourth fish on the street. Miles of bait. Dropping right here.
Yeah, there it is. Yeah, no, I had the same thing. Dropped on it and just disappeared. Just get pushed around, I guess.
Okay, as you can see, we're passing over tons of baits. So we're, of course, it's still night out. The moon's still up, but we're passing over tons of fish, and let's go fishing. All right, we got our baits in the water, and sure enough, this dude comes streaming off the bottom. We thought he was going to hit it, but he didn't. He ended up just kind of going back down, so we ended up watching a beautiful sunrise come up and watching the moon go down on the other side. You know, and they're just kind of a waiting game. It's, you know, we kept watching the fish finder, watching fish come up and look at us and go back down, and come up and look at us and go back down, which, you know, it's kind of entertaining to watch the thing. It's like watching TV waiting for that hit. So we entertained ourselves, you know, we took turns sitting in the captain's chair, and we just had a good time while we was waiting.
You see when that dude came up, huh? He didn't go all the way.
They came right to it.
Yeah, he didn't
the
go all the way
bait's
up
like
to
right
the,
here.
Yeah, he didn't go all the way up to the sinker.
He went to the swivel. That's what this
Right.
one is. That's the swivel.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I say, it's a waiting game. You just keep watching that fish finder, hoping for that one to come up. And sure enough, here come another one, came up, looked at it a couple times, and then going back down. Another boat nearby stopped by and gave us some different bait. It was nice to get a little, it's a pogie, I think it was, that they gave us, and we ended up putting that dude on. And it's good how the charters there, they help each other out. If you're struggling with the needing of bait, they'll try to help you out. Of course, put that one on. Here come another one. He was putting down by hand and almost took it right out of his hand. That one turned back around too. Just wasn't right time. So we take a breath, reset, and look at this bait fish coming here.
As long as you're not messed up too bad. Definitely feels like a pogie.
There's Alexi gonna be able to fish up.
There he goes.
Yeah.
We've had bait rods get whacked.
Right, yeah.
Mackerel.
Mackerel?
Yeah, mackerel.
All right after we passed that massive bait ball, we saw one of the balloons started acting a little bit of funny, so they got me on the rod and we got ready to go.
Might have to get that out. Be careful if he comes up.
Almost to the leader, baby. I see him down there.
Yeah.
He's a big one.
The power of this shark is just incredible. He started yanking that drag out like it was nothing to getting away from that boat. Got him back up, worked back up to the boat, and then you'll see what happens here when we get him worked back up.
How deep you guys there? 170. Yeah.
Hey, the shark was fun to catch, but doggone it, he ate our good bait. So another boat ends up stopping by, and they bring us a herring. We get that herring hooked up, put it back down, and watch what happens.
Is there really a rat extent? Let go of that anchor.
Giant tuna, and we've been at it all day, but we got one hooked up. And Harry here's working on it, and I'm going to switch off with him in just another minute, and we'll keep getting this thing in here.
Wait, yeah, let's check it. All right,
Yeah. Oh my dear. Look at. God, I didn't know it was possible. Get up there, you fat ass. Right, yeah. There you go, Captain. Yes, sir. Got it. Yeah. I got him. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Yes, sir.
Try to get the scalp out.
Yeah. Well, you want me to go down?
Hey, I kind of lost my cool there a little bit, Uncle Dave fans, but that was so exciting. I couldn't believe how big that fish was when he came in behind the boat. Oh, this was quite a trip.
But we got him. Oh, good. There's a little place there on the side where they cut their fins in. There you see it? You see how extreme it is?
94 inches of tuna weighed close to 450 pounds. Yeah, it was amazing to watch Kevin and Harry go to work on this fish and did what they had to do to bleed it out as we drug it along. And then after it gets the blood out, then we go to work getting it in the boat.
Really kind of convenient, that big old knot they got back there by the tail, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so go your way. Here you go.
That was easy. Yeah.
So much better than yanking and pulling, huh?
I used to do it by hand. I just did this in last winter so I can fish by myself.
Right now. Holy, the yellow ones, I think they're so awesome. Yeah, I told you it's awesome. You gotta be kidding me, man. Damn!
Let me spin up.
Oh!
I'm telling you, these fish up close are huge. It was almost 8 foot long, like 2 inches being 8 foot long. This thing was incredibly big. We watched Harry do a good job on cleaning the thing out and getting it prepared to go to the market. All right, all the preparations are done and we're headed to the harbor, and here comes where we unload. Captain calls ahead. They're all waiting on us to unload the fish just like they do on the Wicked Tuna Show.
Probably good.
All right. Alrighty's all set to go up over the rail. All we gotta do is get our pictures and say goodbye to an amazing adventure. See you next time. All right, because we charter the boat, we get to keep the meat out of the head and the tail. So we got about 10 pounds of meat, I guess. Well, it's a fitting close for another beautiful day. It is right now. Here it is, sunset. We went out at 4 in the morning, and here we came back. It's just about 5 o'clock, maybe about 5:30. What a wonderful day. We marked fish all day long, and sure enough, we put one in the boat. Yeah, shout out to Kevin and Harry. Man, we had a great time on the Whistler. Hope you guys, if you get a chance, give them a call, look them up on the web, and take these guys out fishing. All right, Uncle Dave fans, just a safety note. These trips are not for the faint of heart. I'm telling you, okay? We got out there. The tide was moving big, like I said, with a super full moon. The wind was blowing just right. It kept the boat kind of turned sideways, and we did encounter some waves where it went to where we got tipped all the way up to where we stood up out of our chairs, and tipped all the way back and put you back in your chair. So the seas can get kind of rough. You know, these guys are professionals. They know what they're doing. They'll take care of you. Just listen to them. But like I said, take that in consideration when you're going out there, because the seas can be kind of rough. So if you get seasick or something, make sure you take your Dramamine or go see your doctor, get a patch behind your ear, do whatever it takes to be comfortable out there. But like I said, it can get kind of rough. It's not for the faint of heart. These fish are pulling up to 70 pounds of pull he's got set on that thing. So it took us, we switched out with 3 men 5 times to get that tuna into the boat. So remember that when you go out there. But hey, it is a great trip. It is absolutely the most exciting thing I think I've ever done as far as it comes to fishing. All right, so go out there and enjoy yourself. Just prepare yourself for a trip. All right, Uncle Dave fans, I know you had enjoyed that video right there. That was one huge giant tuna. Anyway, we got back home, like I said, and we made a little trip. We went up into Wisconsin. We went to Birchwood, Wisconsin. We're fishing Big Chautauqua Lake, and we're also fishing Birch Lake right there. Just mostly a panfish trip, just for some, bluegill, some crappie, and, put in the freezer for the winter. But we get into some northern and different stuff. Up there's some big old crappie and some perch, and we have a big time. So we'll be putting that video out here before too long. But anyway, God bless you, and thank you for watching.